Baxter is an integral part of the Canadian healthcare landscape. Whether it's in the operating theatre with our anaesthetic gas or biosurgery products, in the hospital pharmacy with our premixed medication, or at the bedside with our fluids, sets and pumps, we appear in every one of the hospitals across Canada. The Excellence Canada Award is fantastic recognition for our team here in Alliston, and on behalf of the team across the broader Canadian organisation, all 1,000 employees, we're immensely proud of their achievements.
It's our employees that make us excellent. We have numerous employee programs centered around safety, quality, recognition, development, growth. Our employees feel safe and empowered to come and speak to us about ideas and problems and solutions that they have to improve their work every day is at the core of our management system.
No matter where I travel across Canada in my role as the country leader, what clinicians consistently tell me is that given the breadth of the product portfolio that Baxter offers and the reliability and longevity that we've had in that supply, they're highly reliant on those products in their facilities, and we touch patients throughout their continuum of care.
My daughter was at a birthday party and she broke her arm, and unfortunately it was the type of break where she required surgery. She used several products that are produced throughout the Baxter network, and I really felt better knowing and more confident knowing that she was using our products.
Whether it's in an emergency situation, whether it's in a surgery situation, whether it's in treating a chronic condition that they may have, at all points in their journey through the healthcare system, there's usually a Baxter product somewhere within reach.